Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to multiply columns on Microsoft Office Excel. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. In this example, I will just have some values for example, like let's have it be 20, for example, and just going like that and have this 10, just for example 11, and go like this. And now I have two column that contains data or numbers. Now we need to do the multiplication. So first we need to initiate our formula. The formula initiator is always the equal operator. So now we start our formula with the equal sign, and then we will select or uh, link to a cell. So I'm going just to click on my cell that I want to multiply. So this is the first one, and I will add the operator of multiplication, and then I will go for the second cell. And after that, I will click on enter. Now I have the multiplication that is applied on this cell. To do it to the other cells, all I need to do is to fill down all just this row without having copy writing or typing the same formula each time. So I'm going to select my cell, and here in this green little square in the corner, I'm going to click on it after I see the cursor becoming black plus sign. So I'm going to drag down, and I will have the multiplication that is filled automatically, and that is being rated automatically by Microsoft Excel. So basically this is how you do multiplication or how to multiply two columns on Excel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.